Are you ready to enter a world of limitless possibilities? Discover the wonders and risks of AI and VR technology and learn what regulations are needed to ensure safe implementation. Are you ready to enter an entirely new reality? One where a machine's actions have real consequences and adapt to your individual needs. Welcome to the world of AI and VR technology. By marrying artificial intelligence with virtual reality, you can enter a simulated world and explore the possibilities of this revolutionary technology. Join us now as we uncover the wonders and risks of AI and VR, and what regulations may be needed to ensure its safe implementation. Subscribe now to MetaGen and stay tuned to find out more about the risks and rewards of AI and VR technology. AI is becoming an important part of our technology. It's a type of artificial intelligence that allows computers to do complex tasks that they couldn't do before. AI helps machines understand, learn, and act on their own with the help of algorithms and computing power. This makes decision-making easier, faster, and more accurate. It also helps us use technology in industries like healthcare, entertainment, education, and business. It can give people personalized experiences based on data collected by companies or research bodies. The combination of AI and VR takes advantage of this potential. It lets people around the world attend events remotely and try out different surgeries and virtual simulations. This reduces the risks of clinical trials that are done today. So what are some of the unexpected ways that we can use AI right now? AI is being used more and more in the entertainment industry to create some amazing experiences. AI can help create conversations between virtual characters and people and give tailored recommendations for movies or shows based on what you like. For computer games, AI can provide different levels of difficulty and dynamic gameplay options, like adaptive storylines where no two playthroughs are ever the same. The future looks bright with this technology, but there are ethical considerations to think about. How much control should machines have over us when it comes to leisure activities like gaming or media consumption? What limits should we put in place? AI is revolutionizing the education landscape with innovative solutions. With AI, instructors and curriculums can be tailored to each student's individual learning needs, so they get the best instruction for each of them. It also makes it possible for educators to offer virtual reality simulations, so learners don't just have a two-dimensional experience, but an immersive, interactive one where their decisions have real changes within simulated scenarios. Beyond traditional classroom experiences, there has been some work done using natural language processing algorithms and chatbots specifically designed as tutors or teaching assistants. These provide automated grading on assignments along with customized feedback depending on student performance levels and progress over time. As impressive as these tech capabilities are, they're only scratching the surface when it comes to educational tech enabled by artificial intelligence. What potential could this technology unlock if extended into areas like new pedagogical models instead of emotional understanding? What other potential educational applications of artificial intelligence can you think of? Share your ideas in the comments down below. AI is revolutionizing the way that businesses operate by providing streamlined processes and powerful insights. Businesses are turning to AI for predictive analytics, process automation, customer support, market optimization, and more. With machine learning algorithms trained on large data sets of existing business data points, AI can make helpful recommendations that lower costs or increase efficiency in areas like inventory management or employee scheduling. In addition to making existing operations more efficient with AI solutions tailored to them, companies can also benefit from using different models generated from similar organizations' historical behavior patterns as a basis for predicting future growth strategies. This makes complex decision-making quicker without sacrificing accuracy or depth of analysis, which can result in better overall financial outcomes while reducing risk exposure significantly, compared to traditional methods used before. AI can autonomously monitor vital parameters like blood pressure, temperature, and heart rate quickly and accurately, providing better care than if done manually. Additionally, there are chatbots available globally that reduce triage costs by helping answer basic questions related to general health concerns. If the prescribed medication is not taken immediately according to doctor's orders, the computer delegates the task to a manager to set the necessary protocol with no exceptions. Based on calculations and models, future scenarios can be predicted and activities can be liable to end with specific outcomes. Although it may be convenient, it is still revealing for individuals. Overall, applications and trends of AI can improve the quality of life and promote healthy choices. This raises thought-provoking questions about using AI to prevent widespread epidemics and highly contagious diseases from infecting the majority of the population. What would be the worst-case scenario? AI is quickly becoming a part of virtual reality. AI is helping to create more realistic and immersive experiences by allowing it for photorealistic graphics, interactive environment simulation, natural language processing for conversations between characters or non-player agents in games, and facial recognition so characters can respond with lifelike emotions. The combination of AI techniques used in VR technology allows for an amazing level of realism, making it possible for users to have a fully interactive experience where they feel like their actions matter. The positive impacts of AI on our lives are endless, from better healthcare outcomes through improved patient modeling capabilities enabled by advanced telemedicine solutions like remote consultations over video call if necessary, automation consulting services that cut out complex processes that used to require human assistance, and entertainment companies being able to offer tailored content to user preference, identified by a machine learning algorithm tracking desired watch pattern behaviors and associated web search results to form predictive models that indicate which type of content will satisfy the need created by that consumer. But the question remains, can AI keep up sustainably? Leave a comment below with your thoughts. The possibilities of AI advancing virtual reality are almost endless. Companies have already developed tools that enable realistic conversations with virtual characters, offer tailored media recommendations based on user preferences, provide adaptive levels of gaming challenges and dynamic storylines so no two playthroughs are the same. But beyond entertainment applications, AI is revolutionizing VR training applications by combining its algorithms with photorealistic graphics to create immersive simulations, where decisions result in real changes within a simulated environment, something that was not possible before its advent. AI advancements can also provide much-needed support services like automated grading of assignments with customized feedback depending on an individual student's needs, predictive analytics which help businesses predict strategies more accurately while reducing risks significantly compared to what was possible without the use of these machines, and visual analysis capable of asset maintenance, all done autonomously according to their programming. Similarly, preventative mechanisms designed to anticipate worst-case scenarios can protect both end users accessing interactive platforms, allowing them greater freedom while ensuring the requisite permissions are asserted to permit the function of forwarding private data to targeted systems with confidence. Operating in existing physical worlds with specific resolutions, content rights are informally translated into digital languages that are understood and authentically registered with copyrighted descriptions and diagrams. Detailed assessments involving errors are necessarily streamed, and segments are produced and introduced immediately to a group of past members subscribed and awaiting a legitimate transfer series. Once during the start count off, finish markers are encircled to complete the formalization of objectives needed to execute the fundamental code purposes with desire. Machine learning software is enabled and forthwith connected remotely. The possibilities of AI advancements in VR can help create realistic and customized experiences, allowing people to explore simulated worlds, gain access to remote events or collaborations without requiring physical presence. Furthermore, advances with natural language processing algorithms are improving virtual influencers like Amazon Alexa and Siri, as well as robotic agents within gaming environments, which can provide comfort during crisis situations by providing support and empathy over a conversational exchange. Not just limited to conversations, but augmented facial recognition qualities programmed into the bots themselves, capable of responding emotionally like humans do, so users don't feel neglected when dealing with digital material interchanges instead of human ones. We must ask, what ethical considerations should we factor before immersing ourselves in psychologically backed up artificially created scenarios interacting with autonomously controlled distributed robot platforms? AI can analyze, store, and process data in ways that exceed the capacity of any human. It's important to understand the implications of this before rolling out an algorithm or program. There are fears that AI could lead to privacy violations or perpetuate existing inequality if capabilities aren't explored during development. It's also important to guarantee accountability when making decisions based on user information, since these decisions can have large impacts on people's lives without meaningful understanding or control by those affected. Lastly, there are concerns about addiction levels related to experiences through VR platforms powered by AI decision-making. Would having regulations solely dedicated to governing AI functions designed to simulate real life equate to a moral violation? AI is revolutionizing many aspects of our lives, from entertainment to education, business, and healthcare. In the entertainment industry, AI can create conversations between virtual characters and people, and provide tailored recommendations based on user preference. In education, AI can provide personalized learning experiences, automated grading, and virtual reality simulations. In business, AI can provide predictive analytics, process automation, and marketing optimization. In healthcare, AI can autonomously monitor vital parameters, provide triage support, and predict future scenarios. AI is also revolutionizing VR by creating more realistic and immersive experiences, but there are ethical considerations to take into account, like privacy violations, addiction levels, and accountability. Ultimately, the possibilities of AI advancing VR are almost endless, and the positive impacts of this technology on our lives are vast. Are you ready to explore the power of AI technology in the game development? In the next video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can revolutionize the gaming industry and create interactive experiences like never before. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to get ahead of the curve. Watch the next video to find out more.